In this Map Suite MVC Edition sample app walkthrough, we're going to show you how to use some methods off of the GeoColor object to convert between different color types. So here we've got a sample app of just displaying the world, and we've got a drop-down box over here with a couple different colors. And as you see, if I switch some of these colors, we're doing a couple things here. One is we're updating the map's background to a certain color, and also we're showing the values of this color in 4 different types: ARGB, HTML, 132, and OLE. So depending on how you're working with colors, if you've already got colors set up in your database or your system, we want to let you know that Map Suite works with virtually any color representation. So we have methods to easily convert between these colors to be used in Map Suite. So let's dig right into the code and show you how to do this. Let's start down here by showing where the map is set up, and the first thing we're doing is just getting a GeoColor of shallow ocean, because that's what's loaded when the application first loads up, and we want to display those elements in there. So we wanted to get a reference to that. We're going to go ahead and add the map to the page, and then we're going to add our shapefile feature layer of the country 02 and give it a simple area style that we see when the application's loaded, and apply that to all 20 zoom levels, add that to the map, and render it out accordingly. So that's just what's happening when the map is loaded. Now on the on-change event of the drop-down box, when the user picks a new color, we're going to do an AJAX callback, and we're going to go back to the server, and we're going to call the color conversion method and pass in the color that the user selected from the drop-down box. And once that's done, we're going to call this callback, which is going to update not only the map, but also set a bunch of those labels equal to the new various values of that color that we get back from the server. So let's go look at the server and see where we're actually using the conversion methods off of the GeoColor object to get these new values. So that's here in the controller source. So here's our color conversion method, and the first thing we do is just blank out our string, and then we get the GeoColor name that was selected from the drop-down box. We go ahead and instantiate another GeoColor, just like we did when the app was loaded. But then, based upon what the user picked in the drop-down box, we're going to go ahead and assign it to that new color. So, for example, if they pick green, that GeoColor is now assigned to green instead. Down here is where we're going to start building up our string to get passed back to the server. And here are all the actual methods where we're converting our GeoColor to either OLE, HTML, 132, or RGB. So you can see it's as simple as using the 2LE, passing in the color, and getting the string out of that. Same for HTML, and same for 132. For ARGBE, we're actually getting the 4 components, because you can just get them directly: the alpha component, the red, green, and blue, etc. And that's all added to the string. The last thing we're doing is just setting the map's background brush equal to the new color that was selected. So in the case where I pick green, that's what's actually changing the map color to green for the oceans there. And if we wanted to cache that color so we didn't have to redraw it every time, we can set the cache ID accordingly as well. And then we return that string back to the server so it can be updated in these text boxes here. So the end result is you can easily switch between various colors, the map's updated, and you see the new values here populated in that text box. I hope this sample app's been useful, especially if you have lots of different colors in one of these formats and you want to convert it to be used in Map Suite, or use it accordingly. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions, or you can post your questions directly on discussion forums at thinkgeo.com/forums. Thank you for watching.